Hello. Nice to meet you. English phrasal verbs. In this video, we will learn call for, call forth, call in, and call in on. All the best. Call for. To pick up someone in order to go somewhere. To be an appropriate occasion for. To require, to be necessary or demand. To publicly ask for something to happen.
I will call for you at 9 o'clock.
Perfect.
His promotion calls for a big celebration.
Wow.
Her rude behavior was not called for. This work calls for patience.
Superb.
The workers called for an increase in wage.
Great. Call forth. To evoke or elicit. To cause something to come into action or existence.
The song calls forth a lot of beautiful memories.
Nice.
He called forth all his energy.
Amazing. Call in. To telephone a place, especially the place where you work. To take something out of circulation, because it is defective or no longer useful. To ask someone to come and help. To demand payment of.
Mary called in sick today. Viewers called in with comments about the TV show.
Wow.
Defective bicycles have been called in by the factory.
Great.
We need to call in a doctor.
Superb.
The bank called in the loan.
Perfect. Call in on. To visit someone for a short time while you are on your way to somewhere else.
I will call in on him on my way home.
Nice. You did well. Goodbye for now.